So see here, problem set 1. First question is there. How to prepare? Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. So I will show you this 1 to 20 Roman numerals, or any Roman numeral is prepared by the help of principle that is used for conversion is adding, that is a addition, that is a plus. We have to do addition. For example, we directly start with our numbering system. The question in notebook, when you are writing this problem set, method is that give heading upside, problem set 1, write down question number 1, write question on line as it is from the textbook, and from next line you will write down the answers. For writing answers, you may follow chart method. It's a good way of writing. Dear all student, as you are a 5th standard entry in our high school section, it's our first lesson, so very detailed way I'm giving you information how to write in your notebook, because your notebook have mark for assignment work. For whole year, 2 times we are giving marks for assignment, that are 10 mark for first term and 10 mark for second term. So your notebook should be clean and clear, and it should be observed by your teachers as well as by your parents. Understand? So they should say, wow, what a good notebook you have. Okay? So let us start with very good handwriting, excellent handwriting all dear all. Use the pen properly. Start with writing in a chart method for the answer of first question, and first you understand also. Let me start. Here I will write number, and here I will write Roman numeral. For number 1, we are using, as from symbol we know that is I, so we write as it is. For 1, we will write its I. For number 2, we have to do addition of, how we write 2 dear all? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 become 2. So for this first one we use 1I, and for this second one we use this I. So 2 is represented as double I. Number 3 is a combination of 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the number is I, or you may say triple I. Dear all student, number 4 is represented, you may say now 4 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4, that is 4I. But the second principle of Roman numeral, or you may say rule for Roman number, is we cannot repeat the symbol 4 times. We can repeat the symbol only 3 times. As well as some symbols are there that cannot be repeated. So here we'll not repeat the symbol, but instead of that, first you see for 5 number we have V. This is a fix from our chart, that is for 5 we are using V. For number 4 we have to use here subtraction way, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So we write this 1 previous I, and for this 5 we write V. Since we cannot repeat I 4 times, the symbol for 4, this is a maybe confusing place for you. Remember always in a proper way, 4 means it's a subtraction way. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 we are writing like IV. For 5 we have already symbol V. For 6 we are doing 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means 6. For 5 we are using V. For 1 we are using I. So VI is a symbol for 6. For 7 we are using this 7 with the help of this 5 addition. That is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2? Correct. 5 plus 2 is 7. So we are writing V for 5 and double I for 2. This is a symbol for 7, that is VII. For number 8, we are using 5 plus 3. So 3 we wrote as a triple I, and for 5 we have V. So 8 become V triple I. As already I told you, some alphabet, some symbols we cannot repeat. But some we can repeat. So I hope you understand till 8. Now see for number 9. For number 9, we have to use again the method. One more time here is maybe your confusion like 4. How we prepare number 9? As we cannot repeat I 4 times after 5. So we cannot write 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 means V and 4 means what? So we cannot do that. It's better we'll use 10. For 10 we have symbol X. In 7 symbol already we have symbol for 10, that is X. For 10 we have X. So 9 we represent with the help of this 10. Here 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. That is why this small number will return first and big number will return after that. Therefore, we wrote for 1 we wrote first I, and for 10 we wrote near to that X. So for 9 we have symbol IX. Like 4, number 4 we are writing IV. For 9 we are writing IX. Because we combination of 10 and 5 near to that number. We are using that. So I hope you understand from 1 to 10 which symbols we have. Our question is that write down Roman numeral for 1 to 20. If you wrote all the symbols from 1 to 10, it's very easy to go ahead with that symbols. Only some rules you have to remember. See dear all students, shall we continue? I hope you all understand. One more time I will repeat 1 to 10. One more time I will repeat 1 to 10. That is for 1 we are using I. For number 2 we are using double I. For number 3 we are using triple I. For 4 IV. For 5 V. For 6 VI. For 7 V double I. For 8 V triple I. For 9 IX. And for 10 X. Now with the help of this 10 we are writing ahead 11 to 20 numbers. Let us see for 11. We use 11 as 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So for 10 we are using symbol X, and for 1 we are using symbol I. Same way for 12 we are writing 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. For 10 we are using X. For 2 we are using double I. This becomes symbol of 12. X, I. For 13 we are writing 10 plus 3. That is X, I. So for 13 we are using symbol X, I. Number 14, we write combination like 10 plus 4. We have to make the number with the coordination with the tens use of 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So for 10 we are using X, and for V, I. We have combination here for 4 is IV. So we use that X, I, V. You have to join just 1 to 10 numbers there. 15. See, one more rule is there. Dear student, you may say we can write 15 as 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is V. but in a Roman numeral 3 times V is not allowed, 3 times L is not allowed, 3 times C is also not allowed. You have to make the combination with the help of 10 only. So 10 plus 5 is 15, that is XV. You have to write 15 number as XV. Will you repeat with me? Let us start. For 9, IX, 10, X, 11, XI, 12, XII, 13, XIII, 14, XIV, 15, XV. And more 5 are there. Number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. One more time you will add them with the help of 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So for 10 is X, for 6 is our V, I. You may write 10 plus 5 plus 1 for 10X, for 5V, for 1I. This any combination which is easy for you, you can make for addition. 17 purpose you use 10 plus 7, or you may use 10 plus 5 plus 2. So 10 is X, 5 is V and 2 is II. So this become XVII, that is number 17. Number 18, you may write 10 plus 5 plus 3, or directly you can write 10 plus 8, that is 18. That is XVII. That is number 18. 19 will written as 10 plus 9, that is XIX. Remember here 9XIX. And for 10, 20, you will write down 10 plus 10, that is called XX. This is a chart which shows us all the numbers 1 to 20. You can prepare more numbers also with the help of same method in our textbook. In our textbook, they ask us from 1 to 20. Near about 1 to 20 we are using, but if you wish to start with any number addition, you can able to do. I will give 2-3 examples. Your work is here. Your today's homework, dear all students, which chart I told you, write down that chart. Write down that chart, which symbols are used from page number 2. From page number 2, you will write this chart as it is. Then you write down question number 1 from problem set 1 and write down all the symbols I told you from number 1 to 20. Make a chart method. One column you write down numerals, numbers, and one column you write down numerals. So you write down answer in a chart method 1 to 20 continue number, and in front of there make a middle column that is called as addition. Show the addition wherever required as I shown you in the video. You can stop the video, you can zoom and follow to me for answer writing. Complete your question number 1, how to prepare 1 to 20 numbers. Today, this way, we saw how to convert how to convert Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numbers or Roman numerals. Tomorrow, I will teach you more numbers, how to prepare more bigger number than 20 with the help of Roman numerals. As well as we will see in the next video reverse conversion.